Today we continue with the report from the WHO, Immunization Against Disease of Public Health Importance. Today's report is about vaccines under development. Numerous new vaccines with major potential for improving in developing countries are in research and development. They include vaccines for rotavirus, diarrhea, which kills 300,000 to 600,000 children under age 5 every year. Several of these vaccines may be available in developing countries by 2008 and 2009. About history of vaccines, that introducing a small amount of smallpox virus by inhaling through the nose or by making a number of small breaths through the layers of skin, variolation to create resistance to the disease began in the 10th or 11th century in Central Asia. Variolation was introduced into England in 1721. There, in 1798, Edward Jenner began treatments against smallpox, the first systematic effort to control the disease through immunization. In 1885, Louis Pasteur developed the first vaccine to protect humans against rabies. Vaccines against diphtheria and tetanus were introduced in the early 1900s. The Comet-Guerin vaccine against tuberculosis in 1927, the Salk polio vaccine in 1955, and vaccines against measles and mumps in 1960s. How vaccines work. Vaccines typically provide an immune system with harmless copies of antigen, a portion of surface of the bacteria or virus that the immune system recognizes as foreign. Vaccines may also provide a non-native version of a toxin, a portion produced by a bacterium, so that the body can create a defense against it. Once an antigen is noticed by the immune system, white blood cells called B lymphocytes create a protein called an antibody, and that is designed to attach to that antigen. Many copies of this antibody are produced. If a true infection of the same disease occurs, still more antibodies are created, and as they attach to the targets, they may block the activity of the virus or bacterial strain directly, thus fighting infection. In addition, once in place, the antibodies make it much easier for other parts of the immune system to recognize and destroy the invading agent. Immune systems are designed to remember. Once exposed to a particular bacterium or virus, they retain immunity against it for years, decades, or even a lifetime. This means they are prepared to quickly defeat a later infection. This is a huge benefit because the body encountering a germ for the first time may need from 7 to 12 days to effectively defend it, and by then serious illness and even death may occur.